What a lovely day for the Sandcastle Gala. I can't wait to see all the lovely sandcastles. And I'm judging too.
You'll be a great judge, Grandma. Will you let me win?
Now, ZOU.
Just joking, Grandma. Come on, Pock. Let's get my bucket and spade.
Here you are, ZOU.
Thank you, Grandpa.
Oh, and we'll need these too. Come on.
Thanks, ZOU.
I'm going to make a big sandcastle with loads of turrets.
I think I'm going to make a fairy tale sandcastle.
Good idea. Me too.
Oh, well, I'm going to decorate it with really pretty shells.
Yes, and me.
I've got something else to add later too.
Oh?
Oh, our Zinnia is so creative. Some of the sandcastles she's made are just wonderful.
I'm sure she is. But I expect all the sandcastles are going to be great.
I'm going to make my best sandcastle ever.
Right. The Sandcastle Gala is about to start. OK, everyone. Have fun. Remember, you can decorate your sandcastles with whatever you want. You've got until lunchtime, then we have our picnic.
Yay!
Oh, and no grown-ups helping. Ready?
Oh, no. I must have dropped my spade. How can I make a sandcastle now?
You could use a shell, ZOU. You just need to find a big one.
That's a great idea, Grandpa. Oh, too small. Thanks, Pock. No, too small. Perfect. Ooh, look at all the little creatures.
Oh, yes. Very interesting.
Let's come back later. I've got a Sandcastle Gala to win.
I remind you that the adults are forbidden to help the children. Well done, Elzee.
Brilliant! What happened?
Oh, your sand is a bit wet, ZOU. You need to add some dry stuff. That's the way, ZOU. Well done. I'm not really helping. I know it's against the rules.
My Zinnia is such a wonderful artist, even in sand. She's sure to win today.
Yes, Zelda, but winning isn't everything. It's really about the children having fun.
I'm just happy to have a day by the sea. Oh, and a nice picnic.
And now for my surprise.
Oh.
Fairies for a fairy castle.
Excuse me, Judge, can you put toys on sandcastles?
Oh, yes. I said at the start you can decorate them how you want.
Don't worry, Zinnia. I'll get you some fancy lights from the shop.
We don't have time, Daddy. We only have until lunchtime.
I'll help you, Sugar Pie.
Xavier? Oh, well. Grown-ups can help too.
Oh, good. Come on, ZOU. Let's build a sandcastle.
How can I help, Elzee?
Some shells for the castle walls would be great.
OK.
Thanks, Mum.
The Zoe moat can go here, Zach.
Good idea, Dad.
And our moat can go here, Zinnia.
It needs a pattern or something.
Let's use the shell zoo. It'll make a great pattern.
I like that, Grandpa.
Ooh, you could do that too, Zach, while I work on the moat.
Okay, Dad.
Hey, that's quite enough of that.
Remember, you two, this is just for fun. And only the children will get the prize for the best castle.
But the moat, I haven't finished it.
You have now.
Oh,
Sorry, I can't help you anymore, Zoo.
That's okay, Grandpa. I can do it from here.
Perfect.
that's my Zinnia. Such a quick thinker.
Grandpa, I need something to make my sandcastle different, like Elzee and Zinnia have.
But Zoo, you haven't got any toys here.
I really like the rock pool with the creatures in it. Can I make a mini one for my sandcastle?
Oh, now that's a great idea.
I need something to stop the water from coming out. Thanks, Mum. It's ready, Grandpa. Can we go to the rock pool now? I'll borrow this starfish. And this shell thing.
That's a mussel, Zoo. And that's a clam. And that's a little fish.
I know that, Grandpa. A rock pool needs rocks. Now I have to put them in my rock pool.
Wonderful, Zinnia, just wonderful. Now for a photo of the winning sandcastle. Whoa!
Oh, Daddy, look what you've done.
Oh, sorry, Pumpkin. I'll make it up to you. You can have whatever you want.
That's okay, Daddy. I know you didn't mean it. Now I'm out of the competition. I won't have time to build another sandcastle.
Zinnia, you can help me finish my sandcastle if you want.
Oh, thanks, Sue. I'd love to.
That's very kind, Zoo.
Very nice, Zach. Well done.
Thank you.
Those fairies look lovely on your sandcastle, Elzee.
Thank you.
And your little rock pool looks lovely, Zoo and Zinnia.
Thank you.
The moats look very nice too.
Yes, sir.
Everybody stop now. I'm ready to announce the winner. Thank you all. Of course, you're all winners. But the prize goes to Elzee.
Yes!
Well done, Elzee. There's always next year. It's a really beautiful fairy tale sandcastle, Elzee.
Thank you, Zinnia.
Oh, Zappy! Oh, look what you did!
Daddy!
It was the crab's fault.
Look,
Oh, hey. Come back! Come back! Come back, you shellfish!
We'll stop tidying up soon, Zoo, and then we'll go to the park.
all right, Grandpa. Wow!
Oh, I see you found your dad's boat. Oh, we used to have a lot of fun with that when he was your age. It just needs a lick of paint and some new sails. You draw around these old sails, Zoo. Then I'll cut out the shapes to make some new ones.
Yes, Grandpa.
And I'll start painting.
Here you are, Grandpa.
Perfect, Zoo. Now, I just need to glue on a little bit of string to tie them to the mast. There you go. Almost done. Oh, it looks like we're out of glue.
Oh,
Let's go to Mr. Zoe's and get some more. Then we'll go and sail our boat.
great, Grandpa. It's Captain Puck. Hello, Mr. Zoe.
Hello, Zelda. Hello, Zinnia.
Hello.
Hello there, Zoo. That's a mighty fine boat.
Oh, let me see. I've got a boat too. A remote-controlled one.
Hi, Zoo. That's a great boat. It was my dad's. We're going to sail it in the park.
Yes, we've been fixing it up, but we seem to have run out of glue.
Use this.
Perfect.
Let's race! At the beach. That's much more exciting.
Can we, Grandpa?
If you want to.
Okay, Zinnia. Let's race.
See you later.
See you later. I'm coming too. I'm with Team Zoo.
Have fun.
How am I going to race my boat against Zinnia's? Hers is remote controlled. It'll be much faster.
Oh, Zoo, this is a great little boat. You just need to have some fun. This was your dad's. Now you're ready for action.
Thanks, Grandpa. You're Captain Zoo.
Hi, Zoo. Wait for us. Are you ready to race? Even though my boat is better than yours.
Don't be so sure about that, Zinnia. I'm Captain Zoo. Puck, Zinnia's boat's really nice. It looks super fast.
My boat will easily whiz up here.
Oh, don't worry, Zoo. This little boat has won many races, and now it looks as good as new.
But it doesn't have an engine.
That means there's one less thing to go wrong. The wind and the sea will carry it along. All right, you two. You can race from this end of the cove, then under the jetty. First one to reach the other end of the cove is the winner.
Get set, ready, steady, go!
Yay!
What's going on? I'm going backwards.
You're in the lead, Zoo! Yay!
Oh, I had it the wrong way round.
Come on, Zoo! That won't make it go faster, Puck. Puck, my sail's fallen. The rope has come undone. Well done, Pork. Yay!
But that's not fair.
Now, Zinnia, your boat has an engine. ZOU needs the wind to power his boat.
Oh.
Seaweed! Be careful, Zinnia!
It's fine, Mummy. I don't want to lose time. My boat can do it. Oh,
Go into reverse, Zinnia. That should get you free.
oh, all right. Thanks, Grandpa.
I think you're going the wrong way, Zinnia. Come on, Sue. Zinnia's far behind now.
At last! Right, Sue, get ready. Here I come. See you later, Sue.
Oh.
Come on, ZOU. Don't give up. It's not over yet.
Zinnia, you made my boat all wobbly.
Sorry, I didn't mean to, Sue.
Sue, it's going to sink. I can't look.
It's a strong boat, ZOU. It'll be fine, you'll see.
If you say so, Grandpa.
Oh, that's better.
It stopped rocking. Phew.
I told you it'd be fine. The wind's carrying it along nicely. Keep going. You're doing great, ZOU.
Faster, faster. Come on, boat. No!
Oh, Zinnia!
No! Go forwards, you silly boat. No. No. Don't do that.
Oh, look, ZOU. You're in the lead.
Wow, your boat is going so fast. Yay! Look, Zach, there it goes. Yay! I can't see it. Nor can I. There it is! Oh no, it's stuck! Move, boat!
Move, boat.
Here, ZOU.
Thanks, Grandpa. Can't reach. Yay! 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 I won! Team ZOU, yeah!
Well done, ZOU.
My boat.
Oh, it looks as if Zinnia might be in a bit of trouble.
Let's go and help her.
Good idea.
Well done, Sue. You won.
Yes, ZOU. Congratulations.
Thanks, Aunt Zelda. Do you need some help, Zinnia?
Yes, please. My boat won't go straight, so I can't bring it to shore.
Well, let's see if we can help. If we start by turning off the engine, we might be able to reach it then.
Yes, Grandpa.
There you go.
I guess now it won't work anymore.
Oh, yes, it will. I can fix it in my workshop.
Really?
Really, don't you worry. Come on, all this sea air has made me hungry. Let's go home and have some apple pie.
Yay!
Yummy!
Apple pie!
Grandpa, could you make some sails for my boat too? That way, next time we race, I'm sure to win.
Today, children, we are going fishing. And you might be pleased to know you have an expert on hand to teach you.
Yes! Uncle Xavier, do you know a lot about fishing?
Oh, yes. See this fishing rod here? This has helped me catch remarkably huge fish.
Wow!
I promised Zelda I'd bring home a nice big fish, and I always keep my word.
I'm going to catch a big fish too.
I'm not so sure, ZOU. That net of yours doesn't really look up to the job. It's practically prehistoric.
What do you think, Grandpa?
Oh, you'll do just fine, ZOU. They caught fish back in prehistoric times too, you know.
Of course they did, but not like the one I'm going to land. It's going to be big.
Let's see who catches the biggest fish. Then we'll find out who's the best fisherman.
Yes! A fishing contest! Well...
Good idea, Zinnia. And I think we all know who's going to win.
All right, let's do it.
Excellent. There's nothing like the smell of the fresh sea air when you're on the hunt for a whopper of a fish. Rule number 1. Silence is of paramount importance. You have to keep quiet. If you make any noise, the fish will hear it and be scared off.
Oh.
I don't like this life jacket. I want a pink one.
They don't make pink ones, Zinnia. Anyway, we're out fishing, not going to a dance.
Grandpa, my net's too short. Can we try somewhere else?
All right, ZOU. We can move. But first, shall we listen to some more of Uncle Xavier's advice?
But Grandpa, I need to start fishing. I want to win.
Why don't they make pink life jackets?
Zinny Pops, rule number 1, keep quiet. Now, all we have to do is wait.
How long do we have to wait?
Daddy, why aren't the fish biting?
Maybe there aren't any fish here. Or maybe they know we're here and they're hiding.
There aren't any fish at the moment because everyone's making too much noise.
Come on, Grandpa. Let's go and find a better place to... Oops. Sorry, Uncle Xavier. Rule number 1. Keep quiet.
Come on, ZOU. We'll go and find a good spot for you to use your fishing net.
Great. Are you coming?
If it's big fish you want to see, you'd be better off sticking with me. This is one I caught last year.
Wow.
Actually, I think I'll use the same fishing rod that caught that monster, the very big fish catcher.
ZOU, I think I'll stay here. Come on, Grandpa.
Go, Daddy, go, Daddy, go, Daddy!
Thank you for your support, Zinny Pops, but shh.
Yes, sorry, Daddy. Quietly.
There aren't any fish here either, Grandpa.
There's another important thing about fishing, ZOU. Patience. You have to be patient and wait for the fish to appear.
Do you really think I could beat Uncle Xavier and catch the biggest fish?
Of course you can, ZOU. Just be patient and quiet, and with a bit of luck, you'll win the competition.
Over there, Grandpa. Look.
What did I say, ZOU? A little patience goes a long way.
Hey, look. I think Pox found some fish. Let's go and see if there's some bigger ones over there.
Coming, Pock!
Wow, this pool's full of fish. Maybe Uncle Xavier needs a little bird to help him too. Look what I caught, Grandpa. It's pretty big, huh?
Oh, well done, ZOU. Keep trying, and maybe you can catch an even bigger one.
Do you think Uncle Xavier's caught anything yet? Uncle Xavier!
Zach, please. Shh. Thank you, Zach. Zinnia, could you bring me some more worms, please?
They're all slimy and wiggly and ooh.
I'll do it. I like worms. Hey, Zach, Zinnia, can you bring me a bucket? I need it to put my fish in.
Daddy, Zoo's caught a fish.
Just a minute.
Quick, Zoo wants us.
Right. Now things are a bit quieter. I think I might have a little more luck.
Pretty good, huh?
Oh, yes. Clever Zoo.
How did you catch that? Pock spotted a good place over there. And I just used my net. Like this. It probably won't be big enough to beat Uncle Xavier's, but... It might. He hasn't caught anything yet.
He will. Daddy's really good at fishing.
But until he does, I'm winning. Let's go and see if we can catch some even bigger fish. Yay! Look, the biggest one yet.
Oh, yes. You're quite good at fishing.
He's not good, he's brilliant. Maybe we should put the fish back into the water.
What? Why?
Well, that's where they live, in the sea. And Zeus won.
But what's the point of fishing if we just throw the fish back once we've caught them?
I just thought they'd rather go home. What do you think, Zoo? I think you're right, Zach. Let's put them back.
I still don't see why.
Well, we went fishing, we had fun, and I won, so...
The most important thing about fishing is catching fish, not squeezing them into a little bucket.
Oh, well, I suppose we did have fun. All right, then, let the fish go home.
Wait, we'll let the little one go first. The big one can go after I've shown it to Uncle Xavier, so he can see that I've won. Grandpa, can we take a picture of it?
Right. Let me get a good look at that fish. All smile.
How's that?
Aha! I've got a bite! I knew I'd catch one! So, who's the best fisherman now, eh?
Go, Daddy, go, Daddy, go, Daddy!
Oh, I thought I'd won.
It feels like a big fish! This could be the catch of the year! Gently now. Easy does it. Oh.
That's not a fish. Hats don't count.
I meant to catch it. I don't like to see things like that in the sea. It's not a dumping ground.
Daddy's usually very good at fishing, but it looks like you might win today, Zoo.
Uncle Xavier, I've caught a big fish. Look. See?
So you have. Very well done, Zoo.
Congratulations! It looks as if you're the winner.
You helped me, Grandpa, so you're a winner too.
Can we put the fishy back in the water now?
I think we should. There you go, Zinnia. Safe journey home, little fishy. See you soon.
Bye-bye, fishy.
I love fishing. When I grow up, I'm going to be a fisherman. Zoo caught the biggest fish! Zoo caught the biggest fish!
You did indeed, Zoo. Of course, beginner's luck always helps. And I'm sure you'll improve in time. A great first catch.
Thanks, Uncle Xavier.
Wait till I tell Mummy what a good fishery you are.
Zelda, I nearly forgot.
What, Uncle Xavier?
I think I'm going to have to pop into the fishmonger's on my way home.
Huh?
I promised Zelda I'd bring her a big fish back, and I always keep my word.
Next stop, the fishmonger.
I'm going to be the first one on the beach.
No, me!
Hi, Zowie.
Elzee. Lovely day for a swim.
Yes, but today's the last day of the school holidays, and we'd like to go out on a kayak.
I'm sorry, ZOU. Not today. We're repainting all the kayaks. Got to keep them waterproof.
That's a pity. I tell you what, ZOU. Why don't we go and buy one? I'm sure I saw one at Mr. Zoe's the other day.
Wow. Are you sure, Grandpa?
Of course I am. It'll be our family kayak. Then we can use it whenever we want.
Brilliant. You can have a go in it too, Elzee.
Thanks, Sue.
Right then, Mr. Zoe's it is. See you later, Zoe. We'll be back soon with a brand new kayak.
Bye.
Bye. Oh, you mean you haven't got any kayaks left?
I'm afraid not, ZOU. Your Uncle Xavier bought the last one just this morning.
Oh, and I really wanted to go kayaking.
We could still have some fun on the water, ZOU.
Yes.
Why not look around and see if there's something else you'd like?
All right, Grandpa. Wow! Yes, Puck. Look!
I see you found my new range of pool toys. The spaceship is very popular.
Mr. Zoe, is this all right to use in a water park?
That's what they're made for, ZOU. And you can let the air out when you're not using them. And so much cheaper than a kayak.
Well, ZOU, what do you reckon? Shall we take the spaceship?
No. This shark.
Oh, yes. Look at those teeth.
Oh, yes.
Thanks, Mr. Zoe. Thanks, Grandpa.
I hope no one thinks it's real.
Beware of the shark, Puck. Wow! Cool shark, Zoe.
Hi, Zach.
We're taking my shark to the water park. Do you want to come with us? If you get one too, we could have a race. Oh, yeah! Dad, can I have the spaceship one, please?
Of course you can, Zach.
Thanks, Dad. Whoosh! Zach the spaceman blasts into the unknown. Can't wait to race you. My spaceship will beat your shark.
Well, that's the boys sorted. What about you, Elzee? Would you like one of these too?
Oh, thanks. But my mum got me one the other day. Oh, can we get it on the way back?
Of course we can. Come on, let's go.
Yes.
Have fun.
Yeah! Do you like my shark, Zoe? Mr. Zoe had sold out of kayaks.
It's great, ZOU. And I like your spaceship too, Zach. And that fish of yours, Elzee. But you must put on your armbands before you can go out on them. Take 2 each from the basket, please. Uh-huh. OK, you're all good to go.
Yeah!
Have fun.
Stop! Can't catch Zach the space pirate!
Wait for me.
One big shark coming to get you. My shark's faster than your fish.
Don't think so, Zoo.
My spaceship can go faster than a silly old fish or a shark.
Whoa! Hold it! Everyone out of the water. ZOU's shark has a leak. Look, there are bubbles coming out of it.
Oh, but it's brand new. I only got it today.
Don't worry, ZOU. I'll see if I can patch it. Back to the beach, please, all of you. Right, let's take a look. Yep, that should do it. And your shark will be fine once the patch holds. Let's leave that to stick. And perhaps I'd better check the others for leaks. Your fish is fine, Elzee. It could swim an ocean.
Yay!
And your spaceship could fly to the moon and back, Zach.
Great.
Now, ZOU, let's check if your pool toy is fixed. Oh, I'm sorry, ZOU. Still not safe. See those bubbles? They mean it's letting out air. Sorry, it's just not safe to use.
Oh. Hey, Zoo, you can share my fish. We can take turns.
Thanks, Elzee.
That's very kind, Elzee.
Sorry, Zoo. What for? The shark. You bought it from my dad.
It's not his fault, Zach, or yours. It was faulty when it left the factory. Your dad couldn't have known. And I'm sure he'll give us another one.
See, Zach, everything's fine. Come on, let's play.
Lift off! Here, Zoo. Your turn.
Thanks, Elzee.
Race you to the moon, Zoo!
Fish can't fly, Zach. Flying fish can.
Daddy, look! It's Zoo!
Hello, everyone.
Hello.
Hello, you two. Oh, my, that's a fine-looking kayak you got there, Xavier. Mr. ZOU said you'd bought the last one.
Yes, Zinny Pops just had to have it, didn't you, Puppet?
Oh, Daddy, look at those!
Sleeky, it's built for speed.
Yes, I'm sure it is.
Think I'll take it out for a spin. Lovely day for being out on the jolly old water.
Well, have fun out there.
We will. See you later. Let's go. Hang on, my little Zinny Pops. Yes. A life on the ocean wave. Isn't this fun, Zinnia?
Yes, it is, Daddy. Brilliant. Daddy?
Oops. Sorry, Zinny Pops. Perhaps you'd like to play with your little friends?
But we've only just got the kayak, and you got it because I wanted it, and...
Don't worry, Poppet. I'll be fine on my own. And you can play with ZOU and Elzee
Thanks,
and...
Daddy.
All right, let's head back to the shore.
Elzee, can I play with you? Those pool toys look like lots of fun.
Yes, they are. But, it's just that I'm sharing my fish with Zoo already. I don't think 3 of us can share.
Oh, all right.
Zack the Space Pirate is about to blast off on a new adventure!
Zack, could I share your spaceship? Zoo and Elzee are sharing.
Oh. All right, Zinnia. I've just got back from my mission to Mars, so you can have a go now if you like.
Thanks, Zack.
Hey, Zinnia, you coming to play too?
Yes, Zack said I could.
Hey, now we're all sharing. Why don't we have a race? A relay race.
Oh, good idea, ZOU.
Yeah, what fun!
We could go between the pier and the safety ring.
Yes, and I'll put some of these rings out. You pick a hoop each time you get here. And then, when I blow my whistle, the team with the most hoops wins.
Yay!
Ready? Go!
Go on, Elzee! Faster! Faster!
Come on, Zinnia! My spaceship is supersonic!
Here you go, Zack! Your turn! Go on, Zack!
Go, Zoo! Keep going, Zoo!
Looks like the little ones are enjoying themselves.
Keep going, Zoo!
Doesn't it? Care to join me, Grandpa?
Me?
Go on. I can keep an eye on the youngsters. I've got a spare life jacket.
Thanks, Sally.
Oh, yes.
This is the best last day of holiday ever. What's wrong, Pock? It's only a storm, Pock. I know it's loud, but it's nothing to be frightened of. But I hope it stops by morning. Grandpa is taking me and Elzee to the beach.
Is everything all right, ZOU? I heard you talking.
I'm okay, Mum. It's just Pock that's a little bit scared. How long will the storm last?
Oh, not long. It's best to try to get some sleep.
Okay, we'll try. The storm's gone, Pock, so we can go to the beach. Bucket ready. Spade ready. Come on, Pock.
ZOU,
Yes, Mum?
you need some breakfast.
Thanks, Mum. Oh. Ooh, what's happened to the garden, Grandpa?
Well, that fierce storm blew things over and and made this mess.
Oh, are we still going to the beach?
Of course. But let's clear up here first.
Okay, I'll help you.
Blanket, check. Deck chair, check. We're ready to go.
Ooh, can I take this, Grandpa?
Of course, ZOU.
And this?
Why not?
And this frisbee?
Oh, goodness, ZOU. Are you going to be able to carry all of that?
Yes, Grandpa. It's very important to have things to do on the beach.
ZOU.
You're almost ready to go, ZOU, but don't forget your lunch.
Ooh. Thank you.
Have a good day at the beach.
Thanks, Dad.
Hi.
Hi, Elzee. We're ready to go.
Then let's get to the beach. See you, Mum.
Have fun.
Find us a nice spot, ZOU.
Okay, Grandpa. I choose this spot.
Good choice, ZOU.
Hello, ZOU. Hello, Elzee.
Hello.
Hi. Ooh, what are all those bits of wood?
Ooh, I don't know. Let's take a look.
I wonder where they came from.
This bit is curved, like the front of a ship.
What is it, ZOU?
Maybe it's from a shipwreck.
Perhaps you're right.
And there's so much wood. The shipwreck must be really close by.
Let's try looking over there.
Don't go too far.
We won't.
Is this from a ship?
It must be. That means we're getting closer. Elzee, it's a pirate shipwreck. Zach!
Oh,
You're here.
yes. I came with Zinnia.
Where's the pirate shipwreck?
What shipwreck? I'm just making a pirate sandcastle.
I don't think pirates had castles, Zach.
I know, but I wasn't sure how to make a pirate ship out of sand.
How's that sandcastle looking, Zach?
I finished, Zoe.
It looks cool.
We're looking for a real shipwreck. It's where all this wood came from.
Ooh, a shipwreck.
It must be. Will you help us, Zach?
Oh, yes, please.
Look!
There!
That's a good-looking boat.
Let's check to see if anything is missing.
It It all looks perfect to me.
ZOU. Are you admiring my boat?
Yes, Uncle Xavier. We thought it might be a shipwreck.
A wreck? No. It's brand new.
Daddy's going to row me out to sea so I can go fishing.
So where shall we look now?
Here, let's follow this trail of wood.
A trail?
Maybe it leads somewhere.
Look at that.
That wasn't there before.
It must be the shipwreck.
Then we should find bits of the mast, or a rudder, or a nameplate, or...
This is just a lot of branches and old wood. I don't think any of it comes from a shipwreck, ZOU.
There's Zygmunt and Zoroaster. Maybe they know where to find it. Hello, Zygmunt. Hello, Zoroaster.
Hello.
Oh, hello.
Are you looking for the shipwreck too?
A shipwreck?
Oh, there hasn't been a shipwreck, ZOU.
But where did all this wood come from?
Oh, this is just driftwood.
What's that?
Well, sometimes branches of trees fall into rivers and get carried out to sea where they drift.
And the longer they're in the water, the more they get worn away into interesting shapes. Like the one you're holding.
But why is there so much of it on the beach?
The storm!
That's right, Elzee. The storm was so strong last night that lots of driftwood washed up on the beach.
Oh, so there isn't a shipwreck after all.
Thank goodness not. But we've been collecting the driftwood because we thought we could make a sculpture out of it.
That sounds like fun.
We could help you.
Why, thank you. Let's gather as much wood as we can.
I've got this bit.
I think this wood is a little too heavy for you to lift, Pock. Let me. Oh, whoa. Oh, whoops. Zinnia, can you use your net to...
I am using it, ZOU, but I've still not caught any fish yet.
No. Can you catch some driftwood for us? We're gonna make a sculpture.
Ooh, can I help build it?
Zygmunt, can Zinnia help with the sculpture?
Of course she can. The more helpers, the better.
Daddy, let's go. We'll catch this one. I've caught something at last.
Well done, my precious.
That's loads.
Oh, there's more to come. Look.
Here you are, ZOU.
My, you have had a busy day, ZOU. But what are you going to do with all that wood?
We're going to make a sculpture.
Fantastic. But, a sculpture of what?
Well, we hadn't thought that far ahead. Perhaps ZOU has an idea.
It's brilliant. Just like a ship sailing on the sea.
That was a great idea, ZOU.
Where is ZOU? And Zach?
I thought it needed a finishing touch. And thanks to Zach and his super pirate flag, ta-da! It's finished. I named this ship the Driftwood Storm.